Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's day 70. Also a pretty big milestone. So I kind of wanted to do something new. Although I did spend majority of the day going through Terraform, I wanted to during when I was getting a bit losing focus, I wanted to learn something new. Jenkins. So this is also part of the DevOps things you need to know for DevOps, part of CI/CD. And pretty much what it is it's open source automation server that supports something we hear a lot in DevOps, right? CI/CD, continuous integration and continuous delivery. So I'll explain what that is in a little bit. So for now, you can just think of Jenkins as the tool that ties your entire software development lifecycle together. It can automate building, it can automate testing, and even deploying your code with the help of over like 1,800 plugins. Some of these include the ones that we've already learned about, like Docker and Kubernetes. And so why Jenkins? It's very widely used because it automates repetitive DevOps tasks, which saves time and also reduces the amount of errors that humans may cause. And it acts as a central hub for builds, testing and deployment, and then it also has a strong community and plugin ecosystem that lets you extend it easily to fit your exact needs. Next, let's cover SCM, source control management. So before Jenkins can do its thing, it needs to know about your code, right? So that's where source control management comes in. Tools such as Git and platforms like GitHub, Bitbucket help developers track code changes and collaborate with teams. And Jenkins just integrates directly with these tools. So whenever you push a change to your code repository, Jenkins can be triggered to automatically build and test the updated project. And now let's get into CI/CD. I have an image here that will help me explain. So CI/CD broken into two parts, right? Continuous integration, which is like every time a developer pushes code, and in Jenkins, so CI/CD is continuous integration and continuous deployment or delivery. In Jenkins case, for continuous integration, every time a developer pushes code, Jenkins can automatically build and test it, which ensures bugs are caught very early and fast before they get deployed, and then the developer can see exactly what is going on and knows that there's something wrong and they need to fix it ASAP. And then continuous deployment. So once the code passes all the tests, Jenkins can help push it to a staging or production environment automatically, which results, this all just results in a faster delivery and better feedback loops. And yeah, so this loop, the classic DevOps loop, also known as the DevOps lifecycle. It's got plan, code, build, test, release. So Jenkins is actually part of the release stage. As you can see, it's between test and deployment. So that's very important. Primarily is in the build test release. So just before deployment. This makes it very important to learn and get right. So that's the basics of Jenkins. Tomorrow I'll cover how to download it and do some demonstrations, but for now, this is all you need to know. Thanks for watching, hope you guys learned something, and see you guys tomorrow.